Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into set analysis. So there are different type of set analysis that I have categorized into. So first type is the basic data filter. So the basic data filter means, let's say you have a column called as status, and you just want to filter that status, and you want to get, let's say, the count of forms that are submitted. Okay, this is your query. So you are simply going to go there and say status is equal to completed. Now give me the count of form ID. Okay, because the form IDs are going to be unique, so you don't have to add a distinct. If your data is like you need to have that distinct value, then you can add that. So in the similar way, we have the advanced data filter, dynamic data filter, date range, which is dynamic, and how do you exclude data. So starting from the basic, because basic is a very important uh, part where you are going to start your set analysis. Let's go on and try a basic filter. So let's say in my text box itself, I'm going to write a basic filter. Let's say sum of my sales, and now I want to start filtering my data. So to start a basic filter, I am going to give you a very quick way how you can do that. Let's say you are going to filter a salesman. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that salesman. Let's say I'm going to select the salesman Ajay, and now I will go into my expression here. Now over here, as you can see, set expression, use current selection. Over to your sum, just add some space and just say insert. You have your basic set expression created. So if you want to write it down, it is very simple. Sum of sales, and over to that sales, I am going to say that in my curly brackets with the angular brackets, now I will say field name, and for the value I am going to provide the curly brackets again, and if it is a string value, I am going to add single quotes, or else I can add multiple data also. Let's say here it is over to here. In the above example, I am going to add, let's say, another person. Any names? Amit. Okay, I am going to add Amit there. So if I add Amit, now I will have the sales as per Ajay and Amit. So I am going to create a KPI which will give you a broad idea how this sales is actually functioning. So for Ajay it is 436, and for Amit it is 1.41. If I select both of them together, I have 1.85, which is exactly the number what I am getting in the set analysis. So if I just do a quick number formatting here, okay, now I have the same number. Okay, so as you can see, if I am selecting, this data is changing, but 1874 isn't changing because of the set analysis that we have given. This particular method that we are using actually restricts the data, and it will not let the data go beyond this particular set. That means salesmen which with these two particular names, entire data model is filtered for these two for this particular expression. Okay, so this is a basic understanding of basic set analysis.